Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. In today's really quick video, I want to share with you guys how to generate new clients, new leads, and new prospects. This video is going to be very quickly, so let's get right into it. The first thing I want you guys to do, if you haven't already, go take a look at the first video I made on how to get new clients. This video is a bit more complicated when it comes to, generating them, but it's completely free. So in this video, you don't have to pay anything. Compared to the other video I made, which you do have actually to spend a bit of money and actually use some of your inventory to fulfill this. So how do you actually go ahead and get a new client? Getting a new client is kind of hard because you're basically cold approaching someone that you never met, never saw before, and you're asking them to do business with you. So I have a very easy way to go about this, and it's automatic, and you can basically copy paste this email and send it everywhere. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is find your potential client. In this case, we're going to open up Google and we're going to go on Google Maps. All right, guys, so we're on Google Maps. Now, right now, we're going to go in a town. We're going to go in Ottawa right now for the sake of it. Okay, so now you're on Google Maps. You're in Ottawa. Now let's go at a random store, okay? Ideally, you'd go for something big, like a big corporation or something of that nature, so your potential sale is very high. But in this case, for the example, we're just gonna click somewhere random. Okay, so we got this page right here. We got a bunch of businesses. Let's go for... Okay, so we got Avis or Avi's car rental. Little business right here. Now, would I choose this business personally? Not really. You see the business is small, it's quite outdated when it comes to the exterior, without being disrespectful, obviously. But would I go for this business? Probably not. So let's choose another one that's a bit more appropriate. The Red Apron. Let's see here. Nice reviews, looks really elegant and nice. So in this example, I would probably go for an email with them because just from the building, it looks like they have quite a decent budget. It looks very well maintained, and there's some very, very good reviews. So the first thing I would do is go on their website. And lucky for us, they have their website right here. So let's open the website, and let's also take a look at any other information or photos that can be useful. So right now I'm seeing food. I'm seeing that it's mostly a place to go and eat and sit down. So as I can see, they offer delivery, they offer also wine and beer, they have very nice business cards, as you can see, which also, guys, this is something to take into consideration. This can easily be implemented into the email. So if you copy paste your email, you can change a few information so the email is a bit more directed directly to the store and it doesn't feel too spammy. So I'm looking at this. Okay, I've got all the information I need right now. Now the next thing is going to be to actually go and email them. And lucky for us, their email is on their website. So let's go over here, open link and new tab. And let's actually just go ahead and copy the email. Go into our Gmail. Make sure you have a company email so it looks a bit more professional. Let's create a new email, so compose. Let's copy paste info@Red Apron, and let's title this email Printing Made Simple. For us, that is our slogan. You can use another slogan, Printing Made Simple. Now we want to make this as brief and concise as possible. I want to ask you guys a question. When you receive a spammy email, do you even reply? No. We want to make this in the subject line something like, thank you for your time, business opportunity, printing something to let them know what you're going to be offering in the email, but make the subject line something very attractive and concise and not too spammy. You don't want to say potential contract, stuff like that. There's a few red flags you don't want to use when it comes to the subject line. I don't have any that are coming right to my head, but you guys know those emails that you don't even open. Make sure it's not like that. Make sure it's something very, very interesting in the subject handle, and then when it comes to actually writing out the email, make sure it's straight to the point, a quick introduction of what you're going to be doing, not even who you are necessarily, but what your services are going to provide for the company. And after that, just a quick call to action. So whether that be an email back, a quick call, or give them a few options to contact you back, so it's going to be as easy as possible for them to reply. So for me, I'm going to generate the email. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the email. It was very, very quick, just to show you guys an example how I'm able to go off the dome and just create something of value without taking too much time and too much space in the email. So I'm just going to go ahead and correct a few things, and maybe reformat some things, and I'm going to read to you the full email and realize, guys, this took me not even 10 minutes and we have a potential lead. And you can go ahead and copy paste this email and change up a few things depending on what you see on the website and a few informations that you might be able to gather. And from there you can copy paste these emails for any business or any prospect you'd like to work with in the future. Okay. So guys, this isn't perfect. We can redefine this email as we go and we work more on it. But let me tell you guys, this is pretty good for something that took me like 5 minutes, and it's pretty personal if you ask me. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I said in the subject line is printing made simple. I said, your establishment is absolutely beautiful and professional. I went there last week and I was flabbergasted. Keep up the good work. Now this is a quick like white lie, but obviously doesn't matter. My name is Dominic. I own Whole Printing Inc. We specialize in clothing. However, I did see you guys are offering gift certificates. We offer special pricing and deals for local businesses, especially ones we like and support. So this is basically bringing the attention that this is not just a generic spam. I've went ahead and I looked at their website and I feel like I can fulfill one of their services either better, quicker, or more quality or cheaper. Once you have some time, email me back or call me at X. I want to see what needs and services we can provide for Red Apron. See how I put the company name in the email, again reinstating that this is not a copy and paste message, giving whoever is reading this, whether it be a manager, the actual owner, or whoever is reading this, giving them the incentive to actually go ahead and follow this up with their boss, or whoever is in charge of making final executive decision when it comes to the financial and vision side of the company. My goal in starting my business was always to make the printing process as easy and simple as possible. So this is pretty much our slogan. I'd love for you to experience our services and make you save time, money, and most importantly, headaches dealing with anything associated to printing. Thanks in advance for your time. Sincerely, Dom. And all my information at the bottom. So guys, this is a quick example. You can obviously go and fine tune this and make it a bit more professional, a bit more direct, a bit more elegant. However you guys want to format this, this was the method to generate new leads and new contracts without spending a single penny. If you do this multiple times a day, you'll get some responses and some potential leads that can lead to contracts. Now, this is a quick example. I want you guys to work this message more and fine tune it for whatever you guys are going to be searching for, and make sure that it's not generic and not too spammy. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.